Providence College is a private Catholic institution founded in 1917. The campus is comprised of about 48 buildings on 105 acres of land. Our office is responsible for all major construction on campus. As the campus continues to expand, we are now building a new dormitory. One problem that arose during the planning of this building is the amount of chilled water available on East Campus. As we progress with buildings, we've exceeded the capacity that we originally planned for it. We sat down with our engineering team and we discussed all the possibilities of providing chilled water supply to these new buildings.
Earthwise is a premier turnkey building automation contractor that specializes in direct-to-owner solutions and plan and spec projects. Steve came to me with a concern regarding the chilled water on the East Campus. Reducing chilled water in the existing buildings would free up a lot of the chilled water in that utility line. The recommendation that came to my mind was immediately the energy valve. Providence College is a utility-fed campus, so all their chilled water is coming from a central utility plant. The energy valve manages that delta T at the point of use, which maximizes dehumidification, increases the delta T at the piece of equipment, which then translates it back to the central plant, which optimizes the chiller performance.
Ardent Engineering is a mechanical design build firm that offers construction as well as licensed mechanical engineering services. So Ardent Engineering has been working with Providence College since about 2016. We've been using Belimo products at all of our projects on the campus for both new construction and renovations. Using the information from the utility review, we identified the issues we were going to have on the East Campus, including chill water capacity and line size.
We looked at retrofitting all of our buildings on East Campus with the energy valve, thus saving the GPM that we needed. And in doing so, we were able to free up enough chilled water capacity to meet the needs of the new dormitory. We're saving money with both the cooling cost to cool the water and the pumping cost to pump that water to the buildings.
All the energy valves installed on campus have been connected to the Belimo cloud. That gives the ability to log in from a single point, see all the trend data, performance data, and validate that they're really doing the job that they were supposed to do. Increasing the delta T back to the central plant and the chiller greatly increases the chiller performance by putting it in its peak efficiency curve.